What's up YouTube? What is up? I know it's been a long time I met you guys. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are great. First of all, I hope everyone's happy, healthy. The COVID cases are going low. That's the best news today, isn't it? Yes, definitely I'm going to do that. And for people, motor vlogging is definitely one of those things which is gonna cost you a lot. Let's consider the petrol costs are outside right now. The petrol is costing really high, dude. 107 rupees. Wow, that's a lot, isn't it? I know. And apart from that, the gear is obviously costing a lot. So today here I am to speak about everything that we can get on a budget. Like what is the gear that we need? Like what is the gear that we need? We would be needing a helmet, a good jacket, and also gloves. So yeah, a trekking bag. The four things that mostly you will be needing as a basic tourer. Like if you're motor vlogging, definitely you must be having these and it should be fun. First of all, when you're motor vlogging, one of the major and basics that we need is a helmet. And helmets are really costly when you want a very let's say at least in India, as far as I know, the major brands like LS2, MT, Rhinox, these are the guys who produce really good helmets. At the same time they cost a lot. Not everyone can afford them. I bought something that's very basic but also a very reliable one, a very good company. That's the Steelbird. Yes, that's the steel color. First of all, the color of Steelbird is basically a matte blue, a matte black. And yes, there's a clean visor. As you can see, it's a clean visor. And yeah, there's a button provided over here. That's a good one. So this helmet cost me around 2000 rupees. So I would say in 2000 rupees, Steelbird is definitely giving you a good product. The cushions inside are really good, and the sizes that are available on Amazon, I bought it on Amazon, are really good. You should check out. I'll try to link I'll try to link everything in the description so that you guys can check it out. We're done about the helmet. What else is needed? What else are we looking at? We are also looking at the jacket. And what jacket did I get? It's a Royal Enfield jacket. As you guys can see, this is the jacket that I bought. Yeah, this jacket cost me around 4,950. I know 4,950 does not sound like a budget, but definitely worth it. This is the costliest thing in my total package now, considering my bag, gloves, helmet and everything else. My jacket is the costliest. It cost me around 5,000 rupees. This color, this is something like peach or white. Yeah, and there's a Royal Enfield logo. Apart from that, there's the inner has a mesh. As you guys can see, the inner has a mesh, and there are pads of shoulder, elbows, and the back has a really thick cushioning so that you don't really hurt your back much. If you guys are winter travelers, definitely you guys should get a thermal from inside so that you guys are of good heat and you have good warmth. You're gonna face a really bad time in this because this is not gonna protect you from really high, very low temperatures, that's for sure. So there are also these tightening straps. As you always know, if you're a biker, if you follow biking, you would definitely know that these straps are available on almost every Royal Enfield jacket. These are just to give that even tightened up look on everything. As you can see, these are the ones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one over here. There's almost like 8 or 9 over here. This is the whole jacket on a whole, as you guys can see. And obviously, while motor vlogging, one of the major things is how to carry your luggage. Everything that you can when you have money. When you don't have money, one of the easiest thing is get a tube bag, bro. The tube bag that I bought is the big free and wild, bro. See that? Wild, free. That's a thing, right? That's a thing. That's definitely a thing. So yeah, this bag is a 55-liter bag. This cost me 900 bucks and 900 rupees, and this is really worth it. I'm gonna trial run this soon. I'm definitely gonna talk a lot about it in the coming vlogs. Please keep check on my channel. And yeah, let's go back to the bag. This bag is available in 8 different colors. and all the 8 colors are definitely beautiful. Depends on your choices. There's a really deep power socket for water bottle, which is good. And apart from that, there is a package over here. There's a lot more, dude. There's a lot of stuff inside. And if you ask me, as a couple, is it worth taking the risk of getting this and going out on the roads in rains? Yes, definitely. Because yeah, why not? I love this. I love this. This chap is beautiful. And I'm a person who's a lot into tube bags, like such bags, the traveler bags. I really love them. And yeah, let me know, how do you guys like this bag? If you guys like it, go comment, bro. Go let me know. If you guys have a better choice, please let me know too, because my audience would love it, bro. My audience would definitely love to know if there is a better product. Guys, that's it for today. So this is what I have on the bag, gloves, helmet and the jacket. I am definitely looking to talk about riding boots, GoPros and stuff, but yeah, let's see, like if I can do that, I will definitely love to do that, because yeah, bro, I am definitely searching for a lot of gear and I hope it goes great. Chalo, that's it then. Please go like, subscribe and share. Ciao.